guys, welcome back to another Sunday with me. I hope that you've been enjoying my Sunday content. I hope that you've joined us on a Sunday who already joined us on a Wednesday. And if you're new, we have Wednesday workouts and we have Sunday talks with me, which are all about self-care. I will be bringing more content in the future with experts in certain fields, and I will try and create just a separate vlogs channel once I am out and about and vlogging a lot more. But for now, my vlogs and self-care are all in this section that goes up every Sunday. I'm going to introduce you to Tasca, the product that I am talking about today's video. I hope that you enjoy it, you like and subscribe, and comment below about anything that you think I haven't mentioned in the video so far. Inside your little black box is the tub of conditioner. This one is a deep conditioner, high performance hair mask full of natural goodness to reduce dry, weak and chemically damaged hair. Now I did for about 2 years, to maybe stretch it to 3 years, but for 2 years straight I did relax my hair, which means it is chemically damaged. My hair is quite dry because I heavily rely on castor oil to keep it moisturized. I find that oils such as argan oil or coconut oil just do not work on my hair. They work on a lot of other people's, and I will be talking about it in more depth later on. This product claims to bring back the healthy volume, revive damage and easy shedding hair. Now I don't shed like drastically, like my hair does not fall out. I know that when I have had shedding or a whole lot of damaged hair fall out, I worried a lot about it, and I think it was due to stress. Hand on heart, if you want to invest in it, invest in it. If you do not, don't. Number one reason I have decided to reinvest in it once this tub finishes is because I wash my hair each week. That's my personal preference, and I find that my hair is soft and retains moisture for 5 days. Imagine not having to be, plaiting it up and putting more oils in your hair every day. Number two reason I'm going to continue using this and reinvest is because it smells great. There are like loads of pros to co-washing and not using shampoos and all of this stuff, but the only downside, I can actually say this, hand on my heart, is some of my oils and what I use to like maintain my hair it's like a strong pungent smell, especially the tea tree and the lavender oil. Sometimes when they're together it's a bit overpowering for people. I just feel like because this is like a nice smelling product, I can rely on this. I can't say that it didn't do what it says on the label. It did make my hair feel healthy. It did retain the moisture in my hair. I haven't had huge amount of breakage. I don't have a lot of amount of breakage anyway, so I don't need to worry about that. So thumbs up. I'm going to tag all the information about the lady who created this product in the comments below. I hope that you liked this video. I hope that you give it a like. I hope that you subscribe to my channel. I hope that you come back next week Sunday for another video. I hope that you can join us on a Wednesday.